Kei te nuinga o te wā, e whakarongo ana hau ki te karanga a taku tūranga waiwai. For me, returning home is about healing. It's about finding myself, and it's about accepting myself for who I am. Kia o nei, ko te kāinga he wāhi mau ngā rongo. Home is about loving myself and all the things that created me. But it's also about having fun. He mea ngā hau ne. It's about embracing the inner child, you know, the creative spirit. It's about returning to my roots. It's about my whakapapa. It's about stripping away all the bullshit, te hara me te kino I te ao nei, and finding a more natural rhythm. It's about confidence, so you can move forward with your dreams. For me, the karanga to return home from Matariki is a wake-up call to stop chasing material possessions and to focus on what's really important. It's about drawing on inspiration from my tupuna and ensuring that that inspiration, that guidance continues on for future generations.